This dunya might make you think at a time that you are about to grab a lot of things in it. Then it tricks you. You see yourself losing everything. Losing everything. You might dedicate your life to obtaining worldly benefits. You dedicate your time. So you do not come to lessons. And you may miss out some obligatory prayers. And you miss out a lot of things. Then at the end you may think that now I'm about to get these worldly benefits. Then after that I will dedicate my time to worshipping Allah Azza wa Jal. Then you see yourself dying. So you didn't dedicate your life to worshipping Allah, and you didn't get these worldly benefits that you were looking for. Anything you gather in this life from the worldly benefits, you leave them behind. You leave them behind. You will come out of this world in the same way you came into it. See how you came out of the womb of your mother, naked, then they wrapped you. This is how you came to this world. How are you going to leave this world? In the same way. They wrap you. Even the shroud, the kafan, the shroud, doesn't have pockets. Doesn't have pockets, so you won't have anything in your pocket. The same way you came to this world, you will depart it. That's why the wise person is the one who works for the hereafter, and not be oblivious, meaning unmindful about the matters of the hereafter, as many people unfortunately these days do. So all these occurrences are warnings for us. We ask Allah to make us amongst those who heed the truth and follow it in the best way.